All right, guys, FAQ Wednesday. We get a question a lot. What does the temperature need to be to install the metallic epoxy floors or counters? We recommend between 70, 75, try not to go too much over 80 degrees. So between 70 and 80 degrees, closer to 70, the better. And like wood and a lot of other materials, it's good to have your materials sitting in the space that you're going to coat and actually have it acclimating for a little bit. So you don't want to install an epoxy when the epoxy is really hot, or it'll set up very fast. We just want the epoxy about room temperature, and then we recommend you install it between 70 and really 75 degrees. Hope that helps.